Milwaukee never stops impressing professionals and DIYers with cutting-edge innovation. In 2026, they're taking performance to the next level with powerful, efficient, and job site-ready tools. From grinders to saws, this lineup is built to dominate the job site. Let's explore the 20 brand new Milwaukee tools you need to see. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Bi-Grinder Kit is designed for precision work with unmatched power in its class. Compact yet durable, it allows you to grind, polish, and cut in tight spaces where larger grinders can't reach. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime, smoother operation, and reduced maintenance. Equipped with variable speed control, it gives you the flexibility to adapt to different materials. Milwaukee's ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, making it perfect for mechanics, fabricators, and metalworkers. If you're seeking mobility and strength in one package, this die grinder will be a must-have for 2026. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-gauge Nibbler is a heavy-duty cutting tool built for steel and sheet metal professionals. It effortlessly slices through thick materials with clean, burr-free cuts, reducing the need for additional finishing. Thanks to its cordless design, you're no longer tied to outlets or tangled cords on job sites. Powered by the M18 fuel system, it delivers sustained performance and longer run times without sacrificing mobility. Its ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue even on demanding projects. For contractors, roofers, and HVAC specialists, this tool is a game changer that blends portability, speed, and precision for 2026. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Chain Snake is a groundbreaking drain cleaning solution designed to tackle tough clogs. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it provides consistent torque to power through blockages in commercial and residential pipes. Its flexible chain design allows easy navigation through bends and curves without damaging pipe walls. The cordless system ensures complete mobility, reducing downtime and setup hassles. Enhanced safety features prevent kickback, making it more user-friendly than traditional methods. Ideal for plumbers and maintenance pros, the Chain Snake is Milwaukee's innovative step forward in drain cleaning technology for 2026. The Milwaukee Rebar Cutter is tailored for construction professionals who demand speed and durability. Built with heavy-duty cutting blades, it slices through reinforced steel bars effortlessly, reducing manual strain and project time. Its cordless power eliminates the limitations of wired cutters, offering flexibility across job sites. With advanced motor technology, it ensures clean, precise cuts without overheating. The ergonomic handles provide comfort, while Milwaukee's safety-focused design minimizes risks during operation. Whether you're in concrete work, structural building, or road projects, this rebar cutter is a robust solution that will dominate construction sites in 2026. The Milwaukee Rolling Drawer Toolbox is a rugged storage solution designed for professionals who need mobility and organization. Featuring multiple drawers with smooth gliding tracks, it keeps your tools easily accessible and secure. Built with reinforced steel construction, it withstands tough job site conditions. Heavy-duty casters allow effortless transport across uneven surfaces, while the locking mechanism ensures stability when stationary. With ample storage space, you can carry both power tools and hand tools without clutter. For tradespeople who value efficiency, the Rolling Drawer Toolbox delivers reliability, portability, and unmatched durability in 2026. The Milwaukee Subcompact Impact Wrench packs surprising power in a lightweight design, making it ideal for tight spaces. Built with an advanced brushless motor, it delivers high torque without compromising control. Its compact body allows mechanics, electricians, and contractors to work in confined areas with ease. The M18 fuel system ensures long battery life and consistent power output, reducing downtime on the job. Ergonomic grips and intelligent drive control enhance precision, preventing over-tightening. Perfect for automotive repairs and assembly work, this tool balances size, strength, and convenience, proving that small can indeed be mighty in 2026. The Milwaukee 16-foot pole saw is engineered for landscapers and arborists who need reach and reliability. With its extended shaft, it allows safe trimming of high branches without ladders or lifts. Powered by the M18 system, it delivers gas-like power with zero emissions and less maintenance. Its durable chain and bar ensure clean, fast cuts through thick limbs. Milwaukee's ergonomic design reduces fatigue, while the automatic oiler extends chain life. For tree care professionals, this pole saw offers unmatched efficiency and safety, making it one of the most anticipated outdoor tools of 2026. The Milwaukee fixed and folding pruning saw set combines durability with convenience for both professional landscapers and casual users. The fixed saw provides reliable strength for heavy-duty cutting, while the folding option adds portability for on-the-go tasks. With aggressive teeth design, both saws deliver fast and smooth cuts through green wood and dry branches. Milwaukee's high-carbon steel blades ensure longevity and sharpness even after repeated use. Lightweight handles reduce hand fatigue, and the folding mechanism adds safety during storage. Whether for backyard work or professional landscaping, these saws will be a staple in 2026. The Milwaukee 70-kilogram rammer is a construction powerhouse designed for soil compaction. Weighing 70 kilograms, it offers the perfect balance between maneuverability and force. Powered by Milwaukee's fuel technology, it provides consistent performance without gas emissions or excessive noise. The rammer's heavy-duty base plate ensures deep compaction, ideal for trenches, roadwork, and foundations. Vibration reduction handles enhance operator comfort, while the cordless design allows unmatched mobility on job sites. For contractors demanding reliability and eco-friendly performance, the Milwaukee rammer will be a must-have compaction tool in 2026's construction landscape. The Milwaukee Bolt Full Brim Safety Helmet combines protection, comfort, and innovation. Built with impact-resistant material, it ensures maximum head safety on demanding job sites. The full brim design offers extended coverage against falling debris, sun, and rain. Milwaukee's Bolt accessory system allows easy attachment of lights, face shields, and earmuffs, enhancing versatility. With adjustable suspension and padded liners, it provides all-day comfort while maintaining a secure fit. Ventilation channels improve airflow, reducing heat buildup during long shifts. For construction workers and industrial professionals, this safety helmet sets a new standard for protection and convenience in 2026. The Milwaukee Nitrus Carbide framing blade is engineered for the toughest cutting tasks. Infused with nitrous carbide teeth, it delivers superior durability and longer life compared to traditional blades. Capable of cutting through nail-embedded wood, dense lumber, and construction debris, it's built to withstand harsh job site conditions. Its aggressive tooth design ensures faster, cleaner cuts with less effort, saving both time and energy. Ideal for framers and contractors, this blade reduces downtime by staying sharper for longer. If you're serious about heavy-duty cutting performance, Milwaukee's Nitrus Carbide framing blade is an essential upgrade for 2026. The Milwaukee Dual Battery Dust Extractor is designed for professionals who value clean, safe working environments. Powered by two M18 batteries, it delivers extended runtime and powerful suction to handle fine dust and debris from drilling, cutting, and grinding. Its HEPA filtration system captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Lightweight yet rugged, it's easy to transport between job sites. The Extractor pairs seamlessly with Milwaukee's cordless tools, keeping your workspace dust-free without needing a cord. For carpenters, masons, and remodelers, this Extractor is a critical addition to 2026's tool lineup. The Milwaukee Rear Handle Circular Saw is built for framers and builders who need raw power and precision. Featuring a rear handle design, it provides better balance and control during overhead and angled cuts. Powered by M18 fuel technology, it delivers the same performance as corded saws, but with cordless freedom. The saw's magnesium shoe and guards ensure durability without unnecessary weight, while the advanced brushless motor increases efficiency. With longer runtime and improved cut capacity, it tackles tough lumber with ease. For framing crews, this saw will be a cornerstone tool in 2026. The Milwaukee 2-inch lopper is engineered for landscapers who need to cut through thick branches quickly and cleanly. With a cutting capacity of up to 2 inches, it handles larger pruning jobs with ease. Its sharp, bypass-style blades provide smooth, precise cuts that reduce plant stress. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction minimize fatigue during extended use. Powered by Milwaukee's advanced cordless system, it ensures long runtime and consistent cutting strength. Perfect for orchard work, landscaping, or garden maintenance, this lopper blends power and convenience, making it a must-have outdoor tool in 2026. The Milwaukee Steel Pipe Cutter is a reliable solution for plumbers and contractors who deal with heavy-duty pipe work. Built to cut through steel pipes cleanly, it eliminates the need for manual saws and torches. Its cordless power system delivers quick, precise results while reducing sparks and noise. Adjustable settings allow it to handle various pipe diameters with ease. With Milwaukee's emphasis on safety, it ensures a controlled cutting process that minimizes risks. Compact and durable, this tool will be a go-to choice for professionals handling mechanical, plumbing, and industrial piping in 2026. The Milwaukee cutoff saw brings unmatched versatility to the job site. Capable of cutting through concrete, metal, and masonry, it replaces bulky gas-powered saws with a cleaner, cordless alternative. Equipped with M18 fuel technology, it delivers high torque and long runtime, making it ideal for heavy-duty demolition or construction tasks. Its water feed system helps manage dust during concrete cutting, improving safety and visibility. With reduced vibrations and ergonomic design, it enhances operator comfort even during demanding jobs. For contractors who value efficiency, this cutoff saw will redefine performance standards in 2026. The Milwaukee M18 Hotshot Jump Starter is a lifesaver for mechanics, fleet operators, and everyday drivers. Compact yet powerful, it can jumpstart cars, trucks, and even heavy equipment using the M18 battery system. With integrated USB ports, it doubles as a power bank for charging mobile devices on the go. Safety features like spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection make it user-friendly and reliable. Its rugged build ensures it can withstand job site conditions or emergency roadside use. For anyone who needs portable power and peace of mind, this Hotshot Jump Starter is a standout release in 2025. The Milwaukee Backpack Blower is designed to deliver professional-grade leaf and debris clearing with the convenience of cordless technology. With powerful airspeed and volume, it competes with gas blowers while offering quieter, emission-free operation. Its ergonomic backpack design distributes weight evenly, reducing strain during prolonged use. Powered by M18 batteries, it provides long runtime and consistent performance across large areas. Adjustable speed controls allow flexibility for light yard work or heavy-duty cleanup. For landscapers and property managers, this blower is a reliable, eco-friendly solution that makes outdoor maintenance effortless in 2026. Milwaukee's 2026 lineup proves why they remain leaders in innovation, durability, and job site performance. Whether you're a contractor, mechanic, or landscaper, these tools are designed to make your work faster, safer, and more efficient. Which of these new releases will you add to your toolkit? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and updates.